Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can use Visual Studio to set up your CI/CD pipeline for your existing ASP Core web app. First, we open Visual Studio. I already have opened it, and we open the project we want to configure CI/CD for. As you see, I'm going to use the same project I used before, the Great Cinema. Next, we go up to Build, and we click on Configure Continuous Delivery to Azure. We need to choose our branch, the master branch. Next, it will create a new app service, or you can use an existing one. And you can also modify the settings like the app service plan, etc., the location. But for now, I'm just going to keep everything as default. Click on OK. This will run on the background. We'll create our resource group. We'll create our app service plan, our app service, and also create the build pipeline in the release pipeline. This will take a while. So I'm going to pause the video for now, and when it's finished I'm going to continue it again. Well, it's finished right now. I'm going to expand this part so you can see a little bit more. As you can see the steps it took. If we click on this link, it will go directly to the build pipeline. It was already run, like an initial run. You can see what the steps were. You can see it build the project, etc. Next, you can go to the release pipeline. It's already did a release to our web app. And also, if we go to, I don't know for sure if the link is here. Yes, it is. Here, this is the link of our web address. As you can see, it's still giving an error, so maybe some tuning here and there. But hopefully, if you run it again, or maybe deploy it again, I had the same issue, it will run. The nice thing of this feature is the CI/CD will be totally taken care of. And I don't know for sure if it's also includes creating the IRM templates, if you're like have also a database or something else. But that one is also possible by using the DevOps Starter service in Azure. Well, thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and have a nice day.